At the beginning of the season, Jersey made 22 free throws, but by the end of the season, she made 35 free throws. What was her percent increase from the beginning of the season to the end of the season? On the right, follow along with me as I talk through my work. Percent increase is what it's asking for. So we need to know the information about Jersey and her situation with free throws. I put color coding in the problem and eliminated a few words to hopefully help pare it down a little bit. But her beginning amount is important, 22 free throws. Her ending amount is important, 35 free throws. Sorry, it's a tongue twister. Your job is to set up a fraction to calculate the percent increase from the beginning of the season to the end of the season. The fraction I have there, I have written 13 over 22. The arrows on the right are pointing to explain how you get that value. So the reason 22 is in the denominator is because it's the original amount. The denominator is always going to be the original amount of whatever it is you're talking about, what you started with. Her first total that she kept track of at the beginning was 22 free throws. The numerator is always going to be the change. And in this case, it's an increase. She got better throughout the season. That increase we find by subtracting the 35 and the 22. So 35 minus 22 is 13. 13 is the numerator. So 13, the change out of 22, the original, that comparison is going to give us our percent increase. So now back to what you know about percents. We can change that fraction to a decimal. 13 divided by 22 is 0.59090909. Because it was a 0 after the 9, I just left it that we would just write it as about 59%. So it's a 59% increase from the beginning of her season, the accuracy of free throws, to the end of the season.